Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to register yourself on Hotbit account so that you can start your trading. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into the Hotbit account, that is the Hotbit site. So once you're there, you simply click on what? Register. After which you can either register yourself using your email address or your telephone, that is your number. So but I'm going to register myself using an email address. Once I'm there, I will simply need to insert the email address in which I want to register myself. After that, I'll simply need to click on what? Get code. So I will simply need to check my email address. They have actually sent me the verification code. So once I receive the code, I will simply need to insert the code. After which I will simply need to create my password. After that, I'll repeat it again. After which I'll simply click on I agree the policy, terms and policy. Once I'm done with that, I'll click on register. So we are just on creating our account, so we'll simply need to log in into our account. So I'm going to click on verify. After that, I'll click on log in. After that, I'll click on I know. So you make sure you read this out. So guys, this is our Hotbit account already created, so we can now begin our trading. Thank you guys for watching.